We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey, what's up? This is our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
大家好，我係 Josephine. And I want to talk about a problem that I personally have when I was little, and unfortunately, I am nearsighted right now. And recently, I read a report that here in Taiwan, kids are having a much more serious problem with vision than in Shanghai. 那听说这个问题呢，目前呢，在台湾也越来越严重了。Alice， 你有近视吗？
有去矫正。
哦，有去矫正过了。
雷射过了。
She did LASIK. Oh, okay. So you see, a lot of people have this problem, and Alice now enjoys a beautiful pair of eyes. But if you're having this problem, you really need to watch out. I think we should tell our kids and adults alike to watch out on a few things. 其实有几个需要注意的事项啊，可以预防这个近视的产生哦。For instance, number one, you have to eat more calcium and vitamin A, such as carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A. Secondly, when you read or maybe you're on the computer for 30 minutes to 50 minutes, you should rest for 10 minutes. Every time you use your eyes for a long period of time, remember to rest up a little bit, okay? Thirdly, if you're reading a book, be sure to keep a distance. Leave a distance of about 30 centimeters. You don't want to be so close up to the book. And finally, do not stay up late, and always try to find time to look at far objects because it keeps your eyes stress-free. So those are some of the 4 tips. 刚刚讲了一些这个有关于防止近视的一些事项啊，所以我们顺道呢也来教一下哈卡里面跟近视还有眼睛啊等等之类有关的一些单字好了。近视，
近视。
近视 Okay, 这是近视 nearsighted. If you're nearsighted or farsighted, perhaps you have to wear a pair of glasses. 要戴眼镜啊，眼镜呢？
目镜。
目。Okay, that's another way of saying eyes in the Chinese language. 目镜 Okay, that's glasses. And if you are tired with your eyes, 你要休息一下。
歇困。
这跟台语很像，歇困。歇困。
或者是休息。
休息有2种说法 to rest, okay? And finally, the eyes.
目珠
Okay, that's 目珠吗？ Okay. You know, I'm really getting the hang of Hakka now because I know literally what it means. 目珠 that's the eyes. So there you have it. That's today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺子say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.